Hello friends, welcome to my channel. The goal of today's video is to show you how you can create a complete website in 1 minute. In 60 seconds, you will create your own website with no technical knowledge. Come along with me. Let me introduce you to the wonderful world of creating websites with AI platform. The first step is for you to visit ZIPWP.com. ZIPWP.com. Open your browser and let's go there. Now that you are here, you will see sign up buttons. Just click on any of the 2 sign up buttons you find on your website. Then you get to a page like this. You will have to sign up with your email. Make sure you are using correct email address because you will need to verify your email. When you are through with the registration, it's either you'll be logged in automatically or you log in yourself. Any way it goes, follow the process and log in. Now that you've logged in into the account, you see a very interesting dashboard as this. Go through it and just look around. You have free websites to use. You also have 1 gigabyte of disk space. That's looking interesting. The first action is going to happen on the left side of the dashboard. On the left sidebar, let's go down a bit. You can see create blank site, build complete site. What you have to do is simply click on build complete site. Now on another page where you have to select the type of website you are building. It could be for business, events, restaurants, organization, personal websites, medical or others. Whatever, choose the appropriate type for your business. Then click continue. Now you have to select the name for your website. Usually it should be the business name. Whatever you want to name your website, please put the name there. For me, I want to build a nice restaurant, so I'm choosing the name Uber Suite. Put in your own website name and click continue. Yeah, we are on another page where you have to describe your business. Write a brief description of the business. For me, I will type in a brief description of my restaurant. You could copy from where you've written your description. Just write a few lines. You can enhance the description by clicking on improve with AI. You will see some nice modifications to your description. If you're happy with that, click continue. Here you have some nice images to be used on your website. Look around, choose whichever you like and deselect anyone you don't like. Go through it, and when you are happy with your selection, click and continue. Now you need to provide contact information. Please write the email address for the business, phone number, office address, and the social media links. Make sure you give all these details. The social media links could be YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook. At this stage, you've given all the pieces of information that are required. You've given the business name, the description, and contact details. It's really getting more interesting. Now it's time to select structure for the website. You have a number of structures to choose from. Look at each of the site structures as presented to you and select the one you like most. For me, I chose the first recommended one. Yeah, this looks good for me, as in good for my restaurant. So click on your choice and continue. Yeah, here comes a very interesting pop-up. Click on start building. Yes, the real magic is about to happen. Click on start building and wait for a few moments. You will see the wonderful news. Wow, your website is ready. Your website is ready. Believe me, it is ready. Now you have some information displayed about your website. You have the URL, the username, and the password. You can copy all this info, copy the URL, and put it on any browser. You will see a very interesting website you've just built. You could share it with your friends, share it with me, let the world knows your website is live. The username and password are for admin. Maybe you want to change something, you want to customize something, that's when you use those credentials. When you've copied everything and saved them somewhere, click on customize your site. At this stage, your website is ready, but this great website of yours is going to last for 24 hours. Let's do something to make it permanent. To keep the website for a long time, you either pay ZIPWP or you move your website to a web hosting company like Temstar.com. I repeat, you either pay ZIPWP or you move your website to a web hosting company such as Temstar.com. To move your website, what you need is to install a plugin. You need to install it on both websites, on the origin and on the destination side. The good news is the installation has been made very easy for you. How do you go about this? I will explain how to go about this. As a form of reminder, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so now. If you want to know more about how to leverage on AI, web, and cloud technologies to grow your business. As a form of reminder, if you want to know more about how to leverage on AI, web, and cloud technologies to grow your business, like and subscribe to this channel so that as soon as new videos are available, you will be notified. Let me show you how to move the website to a permanent location. On your nice looking website, look at the top right side. You will see move to host. What does that mean? It means you can move this website to any web hosting company you like. Be it Temstar, be it GoDaddy, be it Namecheap. Anywhere you want to move it to, you can move this website here. Simply click on move to host on the top right side. Scroll down and look at the instructions. Look at step 1 of the instruction. On step 1, as you can see, click here to install. Then just click on it. The plugin will be installed and activated. When you see activated, please wait until you see activated. Then you move to step 2. In step 2, you have to click on export your site. The export process will start when you select export to file. When you export to file, a pop-up will appear again. Just make sure you click on it. It's been very interesting because it's a click festival. So click on download, and when you do that, you are basically calling all the files from ZIPWP server to your local computer. Make sure you have the file on your computer, then you are good to go. Bravo, well done. Now you've downloaded the file. That file is what you need to import into your new hosting location. Talk to your hosting provider, get the WordPress site running, and import the file. You just have to install the same all-in-one WP migration plugin. That's what you need. If you want to host the nice looking website that you have, so that people will continue to visit your site even after the 24 hours period, or you want to have your business name so that you have your name instead of that .dev, so that you have your name, mybusinessname.com or mybusinessname.ng, then contact us at temstar.com for domain name and web hosting. We can host your website for you at an affordable monthly price. You just have to send the downloaded file to us and we host it for you. Whatever you want to do, make sure you get a domain name and put your website on the internet.